Now, let me show you how you can stop the drop-down notifications on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos and important updates like this one. So notifications can generally be managed inside of the settings app. Make sure you are on the main page, so you have the profile at the top, but you can scroll through the menus until you find notifications as such, indicated with a red bell icon. You can tap on it and get inside, and in here you manage notifications, right? But the important part is to manage them specifically for each app. For example, if I get a lot of Facebook notifications, right, you can see for me it's actually disabled fully, but let's say you have it enabled like this, you get to decide how they are going to be delivered. So we usually have like 3 types of alerts. We have the one which shows up at a lock screen, the one in the notification center, and we also have the banners. And essentially the banners are called the drop down, right? The drop down notifications are officially called banners. So this is how you can control them. And for example, uncheck it, meaning that you don't get a notifications which drop down from the top. You still get them in here, and the apps, as you can see, might still show the badges, like the number of available things. Like you can see, for example, my email app is showing me the badge of notifications, but so that can still be turned on, but I only deleted the banners, the drop down. So as you can see, that's kind of how it works, and you can as well manage it like this. Like you can go through all of the different apps, right, and decide that you turn it off for other things. For example, the Gmail, right, you can do the same thing, and that's how it would basically work. So I hope that I was able to explain it. I really hope that I helped you out with your device right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads. So subscribe and you'll never miss anything important.